Hey good people, Nails by Rah here with another nail tutorial. As you know, we've been doing these for a very long time, so if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. So we're going to jump right into it, starting with our ANC dipping powder system. I'm doing a 4-step system with our primer, our gel, our activator, as well as our finishing gel. I have a base. I've already removed all of my product, my old product, and I only drilled down a little bit on the middle nail because it is a tip, and so I want to leave some on there. The color I'm using today is Ocean Breeze by Glam and Glitz. I'm gonna let you look at it. Isn't it so cute? I know. I did a tutorial before with Ocean Breeze, but this one I'm gonna add some bling. So let's jump right into it. I have all of the things that I need, and this is gonna go by pretty quickly because again, I removed my old product already. And if you want to see a video about how to safely remove old product from your nail, feel free to check it out. So I am going to speed it up here and stop talking so that you can observe. Naturally, the first step, I know I said I was going to stop talking, but naturally the first step is I'm going to dehydrate the nail with our step 1. And that's what you see me doing here. I'm going through and making sure to get it all on the nail, trying to avoid the cuticle because it does dehydrate the nail plate to remove any of the oils. And then we're going to jump into it with our base first. And we're going to use our number 2, which is the gel base resin. You may see me do a little bit of maneuvering with this one because this set had been sitting for a while. It is time to renew, but I'm just going to use what I have for now. I would never do this on a client, but since it's my own nails, it's okay. And once you have completed dipping the base on all 10 digits, you are going to repeat this process with your color, making sure to dip enough time to get the desired color that you want out of the pigment. Now with the Ocean Breeze, it is sheer, a little bit more sheer than I would have liked it to be. So you're going to see me do this step about 3 times. Yeah, just because, I mean, I probably could have done one more coat, but I don't like chunky nails. I like mine to look like my nails. So yeah, you're just going to repeat this process, making sure to walk it back towards the cuticle and tapping off any excess. After we have got our desired color, we're going to go in with our 3, which is our activator. What this does, it solidifies everything that we just finished doing with the 2 and the powder. What this does, it activates, you may feel a heating sensation sometime. That has happened to me before with certain colors, but it's nothing that is super uncomfortable. It lasts for a hot second, literally a hot second. So you do this over all 10 digits, and we're going to go in and shape and buff out any imperfections should there be any. You're going to see me, I'm slightly a perfectionist, so you're going to see me go off camera a little bit a couple of times to make sure that I got any product off of my cuticle and the desired shape. And now we are at our fun part. Yes, this is the finished product, but we are going to go in with our gel resin to have our stones put into place. This is my first time using this kind of gel. And I saw other YouTubers and other influencers using it, so why not join the wave? So I am going off camera again just to make sure I got the gel on my nail and not on my cuticle or part of my skin, because as you know, this does burn sometime when you cure it. You know I'm a nail tech, I'm spilling all the tea, but yeah, I'm here to help you help me. So when I did this, I had to go off camera to make sure I wiped any excess gel off of my cuticle. And you just apply it generously onto your nail and then start to place the stones strategically or however you want them to be. I had no rhyme or reason to this, so I just placed them wherever. I used some small stones, some medium stones, and a combination of the two to get the desired coverage that I want. And what I'm using right now is I think it's a chalk pencil or a wax pencil to help pick up the stones. And this was truly a game changer. I also have the tweezers that are anchored or hooked at the end. So that was also helpful with picking up any of the larger stones, because sometimes the chalk pencil will not grasp those in the center. So you're going to see me do that a couple of times with this pencil, but this is a new technique for me and I was excited. All right. Okay. All right. I'm done talking. Enjoy. After we've cured the stones for about 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds, oh, these are gorgeous. I love how that came out. You go in and of course you wipe it off with any alcohol unless you have a no wipe, but this one is not a no wipe. It was a little tacky when I took my stones out, so I just did a quick wipe. And I didn't show this in the earlier part of the video, but now that we have finished, I'm going to apply the activator one more time. And then I am going to let this sit for about 3 minutes. I'm going to speed it up too because 3 minutes is a very long time to add to this video. But rule of thumb, let it sit for 3 when you get to step 3, 3, and 3. So let it sit for 3 minutes to completely dry. And then once you have done that, you are going to go in with your final step, which is the gel resin the finishing gel, and let that sit for 2 minutes or longer until you feel comfortable. My general rule of thumb is usually to sit 2.5 minutes to make sure it is completely dry, especially since I did have to place my hand into the heated gel lamp to cure. That usually reactivates your activator, so you want to make sure this is completely dry and you don't want to jack up your brush. So enjoy. And look at how these beauties turned out. I'm in love. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button, share and subscribe, and check out NailsByRah.com. Ciao.